if average of 57, 49, 53, y, 62 is 56, then find y. 57, it is 1 more than average. 49, it is 7 less than 56, so minus 7. Next number is 53, 3 less than 56, so minus 3. And the next number is y, we need to find this number. And the next number is 62, it is 6 more than 56, so plus 6. Plus 1 plus 6 is nothing but plus 7. Now plus 7 and minus 7 gets cancelled. Finally, you are left out with minus 3. Now this value should be 3 more than average. Now actual average is 56. Now this should be 3 more than average. So 56 plus 3, so value is nothing but 59. So we can say that value of y is nothing but 59.